Hurricane Dorian is currently a Cat 2 out in the Atlantic, and the storm has stalled out over the Bahamas, which is really, really awful news for those folks. Here is showing you where it's currently situated in the Bahamas, the northern edge of the Bahama Islands. On this model that you're seeing here, it's showing, or going to show the track of the hurricane, which I believe will probably turn out to be fairly accurate as it leaves the Bahamas up to the northwest of the Bahamas. It goes north, coming very close to the Daytona Beach and Jacksonville area of the northeast portions of Florida. Hopefully it moves away at this point. Then it's going to come very, very close to South Carolina. Let's hope it keeps making that northeast turn away. You'll notice just how close it comes to the North Carolina coast here in the model at this point. And let's hope that does not happen, because that will not be good for those folks there. And further out from the Virginia Beach area. At this point, with the colder ocean temperatures, it should start to dissipate and continue to move further and further northeast. Thanks for watching the Six String Steve channel.